Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable download options on Mega account. So first you're going to go to the Mega app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then next you're going to click on menu. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again you're going to click on advanced. Then as you can see under the download options, there's save image and photos and save video and photos. We're both going to turn it on. So once you do that, image or videos downloaded will be stored in the device's media library instead of the offline section. So that's the importance basically. And that's how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. We also have different videos on the Mega app account. Different tutorials about it. Make sure to check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.